Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Garmin Edge 130. First, let's cover a soft reset, which is perfect for fixing small software hiccups without losing any of your valuable ride data or personalized settings. To do this, simply press and hold the power button on your device for about 10 seconds. Your device will then power off and restart, often resolving minor issues quickly and efficiently. Next, we'll look at a master reset that preserves your data. This is useful for more stubborn issues while still keeping your important activities and courses intact. Begin by powering off your Edge 130. Then, simultaneously press and hold both the lap and start buttons. While holding them, power on the device. Once the Garmin logo appears on the screen, you can release the buttons and your device will reset. For more serious problems, or if you're preparing to sell your device, a full master reset will wipe all user data. This includes all your activities, courses, and personalized settings, returning the device to its factory defaults. To perform this, power off your Edge 130. Then, press and hold the lap, start, and power buttons simultaneously. Release them when the Garmin logo appears, and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the data wipe. After any master reset, there are a few important steps to take. First, allow your Edge 130 to acquire satellites, which might take a few minutes. Next, remember to repair any sensors, like heart rate monitors or speed sensors, and your smartphone. Finally, take a moment to reconfigure your user profile and preferred device settings, and ensure your device software is updated to the latest version for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.